John Lewis.
Where?
Woohoo!
Oh,
Sainsbury's! There's the mental hospital.
That's the Twin Towers.
Right, 3, 2, 1. Our house!
Oh.
Get in our house!
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Whoa, there's the Heel Green. Heel Green train station.
There's Prospect Vale Primary School. Oh, we just saw Prospect Vale. What's that? Big car park. There's the Red Dragon Restricted. We're landing now, guys. I think we're on the ground now.
Oh, what a nice landing.
Oh, I wanted it to bounce. Again!
Well, you can see it again on my camera.
I can run faster than this.